Layers buds have 3 phases in their laying production cycle. In this video, I bring you the 3 phases of layers production cycle and update you about this course and taking you around this farm. If you are going to venture or already venturing in poultry, of course there are different routes to take, but every route there are key factors to follow. We know very well we have broilers. If you want to take the route to broiler, you have to follow those key factors. If you want to see some cash from broilers, we have hybrid, also has its key factors. Then we have layers, and today we are talking about layers. Layers key factors, as we all know very well, we have good breed. With layers, selecting good breed will also give you good output. Another thing, we have quality feeds, we have quality water, and good hygiene. All these are the key factors to follow when you are taking or venturing into layers buds. But purposely today, we are talking about layers at their laying stage. At this laying stage, it's where we have to collect our revenue from our venture. And if you want to collect or to see profits from layers, you have to know these 3 phases of your bird's production cycle. Layers production cycle is divided into 3 phases. And when you follow these 3 phases wisely, you will get what you want from layers buds. We have from point of lay. When I say point of lay, I mean from week 18 to week 20. That's point of lay. Then to week 36, that is phase 1. During this period, your birds will start laying, and they will be gradually increasing in their laying production to a pitch of 95%. In this period, enkoko zo zitandikira okubiika nga wetugambye, naye ziba zibiika nga zongerako up to their pitch, the 95%. Wanaaba tokozeseza this first phase bulungi, enkoko zo noziteekateeka noziwa buli kye zaagala, ne zongerako ne zibiika up to their highest pitch. Guys, zino phases ezisigadde ne wonaakola otya, enkoko zo tezigenda kutuuka ku eyo pitch. Eno phase esooka ye period enkoko zo mwe zibeerera n'amaanyi okubiika nga zongerako, era during this period enkoko zo wezibiikira ne zigenda nga zongeza ku size y'amagi. Kati this first phase you have to utilize it wisely if you want to collect revenue from your layers buds. Phase number 2, it's from week 32 to week 62. In this period, your birds will decrease slightly in their laying production to 85%. And in this stage, they will try to keep it constantly for a longer time. And also their egg size, and they will also be constantly at their size. Phase number 3, that's from week 63 last to week 80. Here they will be performing in between 70 and 75. That is the last phase. You have to utilize wisely these 3 phases if you want to get revenue from your layers. Enkoko kyerina okukola mu first phase, woonaaba oganye, woonaaba tulwanya ekikole, tokisuubira mu second phase oba tokisuubira mu last phase. Phase esooka enkoko zo ziteekeko amaanyi, second phase what, then third phase. Cut. Those are the 3 phases of layers production cycle. Naye enkulu nnyo olina ozitegeera. Of course olina ozitegeera nga tonnaba na kuleeta nkoko, olina ozitegeera nga tonnaba na kutandika kulunda. kati ogenda otuukayo nga olina oteekateeka enkoko zo ozitambulize in those 3 phases. I took long without updating you, but mine are in their first phase, and right now their laying is at 50%. I hope I'm not performing badly. And here at the girls, I'm just correcting eggs. And this is the happiest time in layers birds. Whenever you see your bird starting laying, of course you expect some cash out of your venture. Here at the girls, they clocked week 24 and they are laying 50%. Take you around the farm and to show you how we try to utilize this limited space into this project. Guys, the structure here, it's 11 meters by 33 meters. We gave it 2 doors, the one in front and the one behind. And outside the doors here, we have foot bath where we disinfect ourselves before entering. Also outside here, we tried to collect our rainwater into our 2 separate tanks, the one you're seeing here and the bigger one which is the ground. So we collect all water around into these 2 tanks. Then we pump that water into our tanks inside, which also later supply to our automatic drinkers. Around our chicken barn, of course, we built a retaining wall as our fence, as you are seeing it. Then behind our chicken barn, we have our sick bay, where we transfer our sick birds and we treat them separately right from here. Right in front here is our eggs and feed store near the main gate. Then inside here, these are our well-organized feeders and drinkers. We tried to use these automatic drinkers and these metallic feeders as you are seeing. Then there you are seeing our laying nests. We tried to design them like this. They are very cheap, but I hope they look good. And as you were saying, we tried to organize them in a good way and attractive one. We have our tanks up here. The one serves water into our automatic drinkers. So that's how we tried to utilize our limited space into this bigger project you are seeing here. Guys, that's all about with the girls, taking you around the farm and discussing with you the 3 phases of layers production cycle. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon in another one.